Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to center a text in table in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to create a new table, so we need to go to Insert tab, and here we need to click on Table. Now you need to select the number of columns and rows which you want to insert. For example, I select 2 rows and 2 columns, and I click here to insert a new table. Now it has been successfully created here, so we need to type here a simple text. For example, my text, and now if I want to center it, I need to select this text, I need to go to Home tab, and then I need to click on this one option. It will let me to center this text. How you see, it is centered now, but remember that you can always undo the change if you want. You can uncheck this option, and then it will go back to previous position. And the other method to center a text is based on the shortcut from your keyboard. You can use shortcut Ctrl E to do it. And how you see, text has been successfully centered now. So in this way you can easily center text in table in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.